Hey everyone, what's going on? Today we're going to be looking at Matchbox, Hitch and haul. We got a couple of goodies that you can see off to the side. Should be a little bit of a shorter video today, a bit of a time crunch. Haven't had too much time, but I still want to create a video for the weekend. I guess we should get right into it. It'll be, like I said, a little bit shorter, but we got some nice ones here. I guess these are a little bit strange because these never really did show up here in at least Ontario, Canada. I believe the rest of Canada as well. I don't really know why. Just one of those things. Never really did show up. So I got a guy here, I guess, who's selling them, and they're a fair price. And I'm trying to get them all. I don't actually know how many there are now. I know there's like different color variations, which I could care less on. I know there's a couple of new ones coming out that are pretty nice. But I'm excited to get these open because I've actually had a couple of these sitting in packages for a while now. I just haven't had the time or the right video to make it worth my time. But yes, we will start right off in no particular order. We'll just start off with this Jeep. Old casting, but come on, national parks. Everybody loves national parks. I don't even know how to go about opening these, to be honest. Oop. Well, we're gonna do it that way. Hey, perfect. I have recycling bin right beside me. I might actually keep these little things for now until I can actually dispose of them properly and store the cars. I don't think I'll take out the little people and whatever, just because we don't really need to. We're here for the cars. Come on. There you go. But yeah. I think these are different colors. The little person there. You get different colors. So we'll tuck that off to the side for a moment. This is actually a neat... Ooh, there we go. A neat little trailer with a removable top. If you actually collect this casting, which I do, I quite enjoy it. You can change all the different colored tops. It is nice that it is technically... Well, it is an actual national parks. I didn't know it said it on the back. So National Parks trailer. Now I'm thinking about there might be another one. That could be crazy. This is the... Does it even say what this is called? No. I love this little trailer. I think it's pretty neat. Then we have the Jeep 4x4. 1983 is the original copyright date, so pretty old. Everybody loves the national parks, and we're always excited to have another release. This is always a welcome addition. Soon I will be opening the 5-pack with the National Parks Land Cruiser? I don't remember what it is, actually. I think about it, but it's a 5-pack National Parks. There you go. It doesn't quite sit on there nice, but you get the point. We got this Jeep here. Drawing a blank on what it's called. The pretty cool horse trailer. See how easy this one opens. Now I gotta open it the same way. Actually, should look at the back. Oh, so we have this entire set. Yeah, we have this entire set. Didn't even notice that. A lot of these cars, when I buy them, they just go into storage until I can open them or find a video to put them in. Let's take out the trailer and take out the Jeep. Go and get it out. And then you got like Cactus, horse. Cool. Some play value there. We'll look at the trailer first. I really enjoy these trailers. There's a lot of plastic on these. I believe the old ones were made of metal. How old is this now? 16? Used to have an opening back, I believe. But it doesn't matter to me. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good. Just trying to read it. That's a good looking trailer. Still got a good amount of weight to it. And then you've got the Jeep. Which one's this called? The Wagoneer. Ah, yes. So Jimmy C's. I like this. I like metallic bronze. The dark wheel looks good. Yeah, I like these combos. They're fun to collect. They look good. You can put these in the back where you'll actually see them. And then we got this one here, which is just I think these are both just MBX castings, but I like the car hauler. Let's see. Yes, I opened this. Oh man, that's what I should have done. I'm always unorganized. I should have brought that one out. That's the only one I have in the set, but now I have these two, which we're going to look at the INC next. And these aren't super cheap, so I was pretty glad that I got them for, I think it'd be like $8 or $10 each Canadian. So it's not bad at all. Ooh, let's not drop the cars. We got pylons, stop sign there. It's barely sitting in there. I like this casting. It's one of those things where I should have brought the other variations. I think there's like a bunch probably. Honestly, I have a few. 2017. So yeah, there's quite a few. Unlicensed. This is actually called Flatbed King. But it is a pretty nice casting. It's actually got a little bit of weight to it. Nothing too crazy. Cab is metal. The rest is all plastic. I think it looks pretty good. And we've seen a million of these now. The Baja Bandit. But this is a pretty cool one. Ooh. And I'm clumsy today. Beach Rally. MBX on the fenders. I've got quite a few of these now. I think there's actually a national park to this. Could be wrong. I don't have that one, but it would be nice to one day get that. Let's see, we get the INC, another unlicensed, but one of those castings like national parks for you. Just gotta get them all. I'm also not feeling the best today, so sorry about that, guys. Sleep deprived. I ain't got no sleep, but I'm working and working and working. I can't say this is my favorite unlicensed casting, but yeah, it's an INC livery, so. We got this. This one comes in gray and yellow, I think. I couldn't care less about really getting the other variation. Maybe if it comes across my way for cheap, maybe, but Matchbox cement mixer or cement trailer. Man, this thing's actually heavy. This whole blue part is metal. That's surprising, actually. Which is... No, it doesn't come off. That's a nice trailer, honestly. And then this used to have opening part, I believe. Ooh, I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but I did it. I'll just put that back on. Yeah. Oh, duh. This is supposed to go that way because it's tipper. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, not a pretty looking truck, but it's the tip and tip. Yeah, that thing there. Can't talk today. That's quite surprising to me. I like that one quite a bit. Tuck that in the back. Got two more to look at here. Oh, I lied. One more. Because here's the INC. I forgot. I just grabbed this out of the box. I accidentally bought another one of these, not even realizing I had the other one. So I have the exact same one. I might actually give this to a friend. I was hoping it was a variation, but it is not. It is not. Unfortunately. Last one we're gonna look at is the Hazard Squad, I think it is, which I was super excited about because, again, I think I mentioned before, it's one of my favorite unlicensed castings from Matchbox. And I believe the ambulance, other white vehicle, whatever that is there, is unlicensed as well. That is okay with me. Matchbox does the best unlicensed stuff. Might be really difficult to get out. This one's not so bad. This one might. Nope. Yeah, there we go. You know what? That's actually fine. This thing's pretty cool, anyways. Don't play with matches. Play with Matchbox. Sure, why not? What is this thing called? This thing's all plastic, pretty much. Ambulance. Well, alright. You know, very basic, very plain, but you're buying it for that. The whole thing is plastic, essentially, except for a little bit on the cab. But, you know, always nice to add another ambulance to the collection. And the last one we'll look at is the Hazard Squad, I believe, right? Yes. This is an old one, too. Like 2009. 9? I think this is 9. Yeah. Matchbox Fire Brigade. These are plastic body now. They used to be metal, I believe. I keep forgetting. I got a premium one, I believe it is. Those rubber tires. I just can't remember everything. It's too much. But I love collecting this stuff. It's a lot of fun, especially when you have a million of the Hazard Squads all together. It's really cool. Pretty short one for you guys. I mean, still 11 minutes now. Wow, 12, pushing it. I'll zoom out a little bit. Ooh, too much. There you guys go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And like I said, a little bit of a shorter one. I got a ton of cool content coming. So stay tuned for more. And again, hopefully you guys enjoyed.